Yay, let's do this. You can see that I'm super excited and super happy I got this. And I have these photo cards inside the envelopes, a Han PC, and a Sungmin PC, and a Changbin photo card looks so cute. Roll version album, limited version, and the rock version, all three versions. First of all, my favorite, the roll version, the black one. I really love it. It's so cool. I've written the names for the new fans. If they are watching my video, they're gonna be new stays. This version is so cool. The outfits, and that's my bias. In Korean, you say 최고로 애정하다, a bias. I have removed the background sound because of too much traffic noises. Next is Changbin, and he looks so cool in these outfits. Next is Hyunjin. Some of you haven't seen some of these pictures earlier. If no, then you can see here. Hehe. Oh, great. Yes, we love this. We love these pics and all of this, and the aesthetic, the hairstyle, and the outfits. The concept is amazing. The comeback is amazing. The songs, the instrumentals, the vocals, the rap, dance, everything is amazing. Next is Blue Licks. I personally love these pictures of Felix. These, my most favorite. This picture is my most favorite one. His hair is so beautiful. Sungmin's hair is so beautiful. 우리 막내 Ian. So cute, yay. End of the photo book, we have the lyrics, all 8 tracks lyrics, and special thanks messages written by Stray Kids, and these are the bookmarks and the stickers and photo cards, unit PC, Minlex, CD, and Polaroids. Macne I pulled out Macne. Yes, I love them. This is the big poster, roll version album poster. This idea is so cute. Hand pillar. Bangchan and Hyunjin, the red light duo. I personally love this picture. And then there's Lino. Lino and Jongin. Changbin looks so cool, honestly. Can't deny the fact. Super cool. And Hyunjin's accessories, I really loved them. We all did. And Hyunjin and Bangchan were like duo. Then we have Jisung, Jilix, Jisung and Felix. Blue League Supremacy. The shoes are so unique every time I've seen. Changbin and Sangmin, the duo photos. Then we have Ian. Minho and Jongin look like siblings here. Wait, that's so cute. If I had to choose one between roll version and rock version, I'll definitely choose roll version. But this one is also very good. Not bad. It's great. It's Stray Kids. They rock. The lyrics again, and the paper is so nice. This bookmark, OMG, so cool. CD looks so good. Whom did I plot? Okay, Minlix again. Minlix again. And Jongin photo card. Jongin looks so gorgeous. Thankful. I'm so thankful. And the same Macne line Polaroids. Okay, no problem. Next we have the poster. Just feel the rock. Let's go to the limited version album. The last one, the third one looks so beautiful. So let's see what's inside. If you don't have this version, you can just look at here. It's so beautiful. It's so shiny, so bright. And you can look over here and some of the pictures. Some of my friends say that they haven't seen. They saw it here. And in the limited version, we have this photo shoot and the one we saw in the rock version and the one we saw in the roll version, all three of them together in it. So it's very cool one. You should get this album, I'd say. They look super cute, super beautiful, pretty, handsome, gorgeous, everything. And I really love this one. Wow. See, I told you this is from the black roll version. I would really say that I'm really happy to have this one and all these three, all the Stray Kids photo books, posters, photo cards. I'm really happy and I was really excited to unbox it and show it to you guys. My personal favorite, this one. I really love this one. The Sungmin is that signature. The names are written. And OMG, I was very surprised at this one. I haven't seen this picture before, this green one. I really loved it. And this is so beautiful. I really love it. Bangchan, the signature. In this limited version, everybody's name is written beside the pictures. I loved this one. I really loved this album version. And you can see Felix has a mole on his left shoulder. That's just like me. I have a mole on my left shoulder, just like him. What a coincidence. Are you trying to be Spider Man? And the lyrics? How did they fit the lyrics? Such a little space. And my Polaroid stickers, Magnaline again. And CD looks like this of limited version. And then the bookmark. OMG, the bookmark is so good. And then I think it's Changbin. I was predicting Changbin before opening this, package. It's Changbin. I'm correct. I'm correct. I was correct. Yay, Changbin. I was right. And then I have this film sheet. I really loved this film sheet. Here is Minlix. Minlix is this side now. The film sheet. It's called the film sheet, right? I love this. It's so cool. And this is the poster, the big poster. Roll version, rock version, limited version over here. Then we have these names written. And then whom did I pull out? What are my pulls? Sungmin. And then I have unit PC. Who's that? Bangchan and Changbin. I'm so happy. Thank you so much for watching my video. I love you guys.